Okay, it's time for the cordless drill shootout. Here's my trusty Craftsman that I've had for 10-ish years with a newish battery pack from Amazon. Actually, this is a brand new battery pack, hasn't been used, fully charged. This is my Milwaukee cordless drill from 1996, 1995 with rebuilt batteries. So we got 12 volt versus 19.2. We got a Doug Fir 4x4. We got lag bolts. Let's see what happens. They've already been pre-drilled. Alright, I'll use the 19.2 volt Craftsman on that one, and I'll use the Milwaukee on that one. Okay, I need 2 hands. Okay, I smell a little smoke coming from the Craftsman, but that's how far it got. Let's see if I can get a little further. Okay, almost took my wrist off. Okay, that's it for that one. All right, now let's try the Milwaukee. Okay, here we go. Wah, wah. But don't forget the secret weapon. Let's go from high to low gear. Alright, let's see what happens now. Ooh, that hurt. Pretty close, actually. Wow, very close. All right, let me try it with 2 hands now. Let's see if we can get the Milwaukee lag bolt in a little further. Okay, the Milwaukee wins by maybe like 2 or 3 revolutions. But, yep, the winner is Milwaukee. All right, now I'm going to finish it up by hand, and then I'll count how many revolutions I have to do for each one. Get the final total. Yep, well, it took 9 1/3 circle rotations here, and this one took 9. So same amount of hand effort needed to get them all the way in. So I don't know, it looked like this one was in further, but I was only able to drive them the same amount. So looks like it's a tie, boys.